we have another fun recipe that we want to do with you guys today. Today, we are testing Prince Harry's birthday chicken pot pie. Or is it chicken pie? Whatever it is. It sounds delicious. Sounds really easy and a little different, so I'm excited. Gina, you excited?
Yes. It's like a deconstructed pot pie. Will we feel like royalty while we eat it?
Yes.
Oh, and the measurements, when you see from the website, from the link below, they are in the metric system. So there is a bit of converting work you have to do.
Did you watch their Netflix special?
I did. I am a fan of Meghan Markle from White Suits. Suits! I really am a fan. It's just been a really long time since I've seen it.
I'm just going to move my chicken into a bowl, and we're going to use the same pan for our next step. Now we're going to saute our vegetables, so I'm going to add in a little more oil, and we're going to saute our thinly sliced onions.
Don't forget the garlic. My veggies are getting down there.
Okay, so now you're gonna pour some water in.
In the recipe it says not chicken bouillon, they called it chicken powder. So I had to look that up, which is basically chicken bouillon, which I never buy. So I checked again if chicken stock could be okay, and yes, you can use chicken broth.
And then what next? This is a lot of, I mean, it doesn't seem hard, but it's a lot of little like steps.
No, I think it's the metric
just
conversion that made it feel like work.
My brain just can't accept it. It's like, what now?
Yeah.
What next? And it's like, Kat, it's not that hard. Okay, so now we have to add in some creme fraiche, which is fancy. I have a question for you.
Yes.
So with conversion-wise, what are you using?
I will answer that question with a question. So, what can you use instead of creme fraiche? Because I don't got it. I was at the store. I knew I needed a creme fancy. And I know I had something at home. But what I had at home was creme tartare. So I had that.
No, that's different.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. I thought that was the fresh. So let me check what it says. It says you can use sour cream.
Well, okay, so when you read it, it says that I need 150 grams of creme fraiche, which I think is 2/3 of a cup, but that just seems like a lot. Does that sound like a lot? I'm just not sure that I should do what I think it is.
Wait, are you still talking about creme fraiche?
Yes. All right, so we're gonna put our chicken back in. Okay. So if you're gonna use a pan or a cooking dish, we're gonna transfer our filling, our chicken, into this dish.
I think I'm thrown off because there's so many potato slices.
The picture looks like they just put individual slices on top to cover it. I'm using 6 slices, and I literally have like 25 extra slices. What am I?
You want to make multiple layers?
Okay.
Will that mess up the cook time?
You think I should just layer
Maybe
more potatoes
like
on
one
top?
more layer.
It doesn't say I can't.
Whew, all right. This is not a hard recipe, but...
But then again, these are recipes that probably were cooked for Harry by the official palace chef. So, come on.
Maybe their
give ourselves
ovens
a
are
break,
different
right?
too. And their stoves are different, so...
Because their potatoes are different.
Everything's a little bit off.
We need some panko breadcrumbs. Do a little drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Mix it up. Put it all over our potatoes. All right.
You know what? The breadcrumbs actually cover up some of the broken pieces of potatoes. So now that we've done it, don't stress over the potato slices looking perfect across the top. Just cover it with more delicious breadcrumbs. Okay, 10 minutes, 4:25. We'll see you soon.
I wish I had a little bit more gravy on mine, but that's just, maybe it's under all the potatoes or in Maybe I cooked it down too low, but let's see. You ready to scoop?
Oh, yeah, let's scoop it up.
Okay.
So good. I mean, what do you think, Kat?
Wait, did you say no good or so good?
I don't know. What did I say? What do you think?
I think it's just okay. What did you think?
I like it. I mean, do I want it this way every time? I do like the crust, so I would probably miss that. I just like it. Maybe sour cream was better than creme fraiche.
Maybe if the potatoes had more flavor, because I feel like underneath it, you got a little gravy and the veggies and the chicken, but the potatoes have nothing. And the breadcrumbs have nothing on them. So it's almost like maybe we should have salted the breadcrumbs maybe on top.
Yeah, maybe you needed more
I'm
salt.
gonna add some.
Add some now, yeah.
Yes. There. And added a little more salt on it. Brightened it right up.
Maybe, I think this is true for this recipe, it'll taste better the next day.
Okay. We'll let you know. I'll pop it down there and let you guys know after Jean and I try it the next day if it's meh or amazing.
Mine will be dry. Most importantly of all, we're happy that you spent time with us and you watched our video. Hope you liked it, and we hope that you will subscribe and that we'll see you next time. See you soon. Bye. Hot, fresh out of the oven.